Alright, I got a 2012 number 7 Mirraco. I put these stickers on here. I just bought this Colt hub. It's a pretty good little hub there. Got some shadow. Got some shadow cranks. It's a Brosa skeleton crew sprocket. I just bought these shadow conspiracy sealed bearings. Got a Colt seat post, pivotal, with some Sabrosa skeleton crew seat. Got the Colt, dude, I swear you're about gay. And got a Colt, got a Colt pedal. Just bought those. Some Sins forks. They're pretty good. I'm probably gonna buy some Odyssey R2 forks, R25 forks.
What about your pigs?
I'll tell them in a minute. I just bought this little colony spacer right here and bought some colony seal bearings. They're really good. I can do bar spins like 50 times faster now. I've got some shadow conspiracy pegs, the ones with the little notches. What the fuck? Some with some little notches on them. And David quit. I've got a sleeve on this one up here because it helps me 50-50. And that's my bike check.